There is something on that stick. There's a bird or something on a branch or a pole or tree remnant.
I don't know if it's a turkey vulture, an eagle.
Actually, I was talking about that white thing over there now. I mean, it's big. Could be a hawk. Swans behind us. Majestic call of the sandhill crane. Yep. Muskrat coming across. Okay, I hear cow.
There's so much fishing garbage here.
Right? Way too much. Do better, people.
Yep. Launching on Fox Lake.
Fishery area.
In Fox Lake. Well, just outside of Fox Lake, I think. I don't know if we've actually entered Fox Lake yet.
I think we're actually in the marsh area. Fishery.
Okay. The city of Fox Lake, the town of Fox Lake. Have we entered? Your flag.
Is it all hooked up now?
No, I think you're okay. But you should paddle by me so I can tip it back up. It's just after 10 a.m. It was almost 50 degrees when we got here.
Probably about a 5 or 10 mile an hour wind. Somewhere in there. It's down in that channel over there. You can see where those trucks are parked. There's a parking area where you can get down to the water there to go fishing. It looks like a lot of people are already fishing. Go under the bridge, then you can enter into Fox Lake. About 1 o'clock from you, across the lake or across the body of water, whatever this is, there's something big and white on the shore, along the bottom of the reeds. I don't know if it's a swan, egret, plenty of ducks, plenty of ducks. It's a duck hunt.
Is that a stick in the water?
I don't know what that is. Yeah, it appears to be.
Called a bafflehead duck? I can't see anything because there's sun. Totally lost them.
They flew right past you.
Yeah, I get that, but I turned this way and all I got was sun, and then everything just went white. I'm like literally crying. Oh, I fucking hate the sun. It is so fucking bright.
There is something on that stick straight ahead of you. There's a bird or something on a branch or a pole or tree remnant.
I'd try and tell you what it is, but all I see is tears.
That is big, whatever that is.
Yes! I don't know if it's a turkey vulture, an eagle.
Actually, I was talking about that white thing over there now. I mean, it's big. Could be a hawk. Could be a eagle. I don't know. I can't really see it very well from here. But the white bird or white thing. Pelican.
Yep.
Swans behind us. Up in that, let's see, about your 11 o'clock.
No, that's almost at 11. Now it's at like 11:30. It's almost coming up to 12.
I'm talking a big bird in a tree.
Yep. Me too.
At the top? Okay.
Yep. I have now hit 12 o'clock.
Whatever.
I'm just letting you know.
I'm judging from this.
I understand that.
I'm trying to guess your angle over there.
I'm pretty sure that's the big bird that was over there. I saw him fly over this way, and then I saw him fairly recently fly up into that tree. I saw something in the marsh. It was just a red-winged blackbird.
Crane flying over there. The majestic call of the sandhill crane. Yep.
I was not expecting that.
Nope.
I was too busy looking at that sign and trying to figure out what it was. I heard another crane. I feel like I heard a cow, but I don't know.
I did not hear a cow. I can hear the cranes.
Yeah, I hear the geese, I hear a bunch of birds chirping, I hear the crane, and I heard one moo. Little bastard!
What'd you see?
There's a muskrat.
Huh?
Hopefully I caught it on camera, but I didn't catch it on my Nikon.
Crane's coming overhead. Overhead.
I didn't want to make any noise that time. I don't know how much farther I want to go. I keep thinking it's gonna end, and it doesn't end.
I think this is part of a river, but I don't know. I mean, I'd have to look on the map again. Muskrat coming across. Probably about 50 yards out on my 1 o'clock, now noon.
Yeah. While I have everything in my fucking way.
Wow.
Good Lord. Yes, this will eventually get into the river.
Which river?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't think you understand my sun blindness. It is too bright for me to see anything, and when I put the sunglasses on, it's too dark.
Yeah, what do you want to do?
Paddle up a little further and then go back. It's 10:50, so that means that we've been out here for almost an hour. So it's gonna take us
45 minutes to
get back.
an hour.
Yeah.
Back, depending on how the wind blows.
Yeah, because it keeps changing direction. It has gone from at our face to at our back to, yep. I may hit you. I don't know what those ducks are.
They're daffy ducks.
Eh? Yep. I thought I was gonna miss you.
Pretty shallow here.
Yeah, I'm good with turning around. So we can paddle right into the wind again. Something poked his head up. Way too quick for me to see. And then my boat was over it. We're going the right way. The water's pretty shallow.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what kind of marsh or marsh, I should say. Yep. How much he'd sink down. I'm not going to find out either.
Oh, pretty far.
Oh, I saw your paddle. Woo. I'm guessing the blade went all the way in. And more.
Had I put a lot of weight on it, it probably would have just kept it.
Oh yeah.
Okay. I hear cow.
This was... I was just a little bit further, yeah. I was just passing that opening when I heard the cow.
Could have been a motor.
I'm happy with my choice.
Yeah. I'm glad you chose me too.
Yeah. I think that was another muskrat. my flag blowing and making more noise than yours?
I don't know. Yours up higher than mine? Yeah, yours is up higher. It's probably catching more air.
You want in on a photo? Wow.
What?
You splashed me.
So you're saying I get you wet?
I told you before, there are better ways for you to do that. Yeah, there's nothing that's gonna happen that's making that better. That's the best it's gonna get. Oh, I left that there. I figured some other dog might.
Well, I was gonna put it.
Okay.
Oh.
That...
I was thinking about putting it by the shoe scrubber thing.
Yeah.
But I figured dog's gonna go there to piss on that.
There you go, Denny. At the Fox Lake public access, and then that's what I collected. There's a recliner that we're not gonna
we
clean
just
up.
don't have room for it.
Yeah, not possible. So I think we've done a good deed. We're done.